So in the last video we just saw the morphology of leaf, which is external structure of leaf. Let me give you an overview. This was simply a leaf. On this leaf, this middle line is known as this middle line is middle. Then this one end point is known as terminating or end point. These lines like these. These are known as veins. The outer is known as margin. Here you'll see pores, which help in the like these are hydrothodes. Whereas now this was the main. This is the stem. Okay. Here in this structure you find a node like structure, nodes like a structure. So they were nodes. Distance between them was known as internode space. Then here on the leaf, where leaf is attached, this one point was known as terminus. And here you see another structure. This is stalk. Stalk is simply where they got attached. This also known as petiole. Okay, this was all, I'm sure. Otherwise I have discussed that in a little detail in last video. And yes, here I just wrote one more thing. So there was one other definition which is known as phyllotaxy. Phyllotaxy, which simply means the arrangement of leaves. When you see the arrangement of all of these leaves on what, on the main axis of the plant, when you see arrangement on main axis like this is the axis here is stem. This should be also understandable. Stem here is the main axis, whereas so when you see the arrangement of all leaves on that is known as phyllotaxy. This should be clear. Then we are going to discuss here that we have two types of leaf leaf here are petiolated and non-petiolated leaves. Petiolated, petiolated. Here it's non-petiolated, non-petiolated. So these are simply they have early momentum, or they have the early movement, or simply just they have movement. So they have movement, motile organism, and that movement is known as phototactic movement. Phototactic, this is very important in cell and that chapter as well. Phototactic movement. And these are sessile, which means they cannot move. Sessile leaves. Okay. Okay. So now you will see one more structure. You will see arrangement of veins. Veins are what you can see here. These structure in the leaves, these structure lines like that are veins. So veins are of two types here. The study or the simply veins arrangement is also known as something that is venetations. Venetation. Okay. So here you will see structure. Let me just tell you so that you can differentiate. Oh god. So yes, these are the veins. The arrangement of veins is known as venetation. So you will find two kind of structure. One is you will see the simple leaf like this. There is only the parallel venetation. This is parallel venetation. And here you see reticulate venetation. Reticulate venetation. Venetation. Okay, then here these parallel venetations are known as monocot. This means only one. Monocot. I'm not sure that you have gotten this arrangement or not, so I'm just making it again with magic pen. So if this is the leaf, oh god, let this to be this. This the leaf. In this structure you'll find line. So here this kind of structure would be seen like one stem. Then you'll find other structure like this. On the middle you'll again see here the branches are going separately, but in this is the leaf of this one reticulate vegetation. Whereas when you see that one, that's simple like this, simple arrangement, only one that is parallel monocot.